Hello everyone, Alan from Metaloop here. I'm very excited to bring today's unboxing. This set here, Icon's locking flex head and ratchet bit set, has been sold out at Harbor Freight for I think a couple months now. I've been keeping an eye on it and it just hasn't been available. I'm making a little video to let you guys know that this is back in stock, and we'll open this together. I believe right now, if you wanted a set, you'll have to go online to order it. None of the local stores seem to have it yet that I've seen. So your best bet is to log into harborfreight.com and find it. I will have a link to the item in the description below. If you do end up buying this set, please leave a comment. It really helps me to understand if my videos are helping any of you make decisions on purchases. Okay, we got the box here. I'm gonna put this back, see if I can put it in the background to have a decent looking thumbnail later when I ship this video. All right. Okay, so we'll dive into this set. This is the first time that I've opened it up, so we'll see what it looks like together. Okay. Pretty interesting locking mechanism. You kind of just push it to one side and it snaps open. Okay. Let's see. We have Torx, slotted, Phillips, hex, and Pozidrives. My favorite is the 1/4 inch that turns this into a ratchet. We'll play with that first because that's the reason I picked this setup. So the flex mechanism looks like it has a lock, which is incredible for this set. This is a $45 set off Harbor Freight. So first things first, 1/4 inch adapter. Let's see which way it fits in. This way. It doesn't come with any sockets, but you know, I think we all know that everybody has a set of sockets if you're watching a video like this. Feels pretty good. It's very clicky. I think you could fasten something pretty quickly with this ratchet. Okay, next up, from just online, what I've seen is this extension bar here, which can be used in multiple ways. So the first is the ability to use it as an extension adapter for one of your bits. So it gets you just a little bit of a better angle while you're ratcheting. And of course, you got your flex positioning. So there's that. The other thing you can do is, now I'm going to figure this out with you on the spot. Yep, you can slip it through here, and then at the bottom there's another slot for bits, and you can use it as a T-handle to basically drive your fasteners. I think that's really interesting, and of course, if you wanted to, you can even put a socket here. So all in all, I think this is a pretty interesting set. If you guys want to see something very specific, please leave a comment. I can always do a follow-up video, but this particular video was meant to be a heads up so that you can get your own set now that they're back in stock at Harbor Freight. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, in the comments, let me know if you purchased this because of this video. Thanks for watching.